A person who is sentenced to serve imprisonment for not more than 6 months. A. Municipal prisoner. B. City prisoner. C. Provincial prisoner. D. Insular prisoner. Answer: A. Municipal prisoner. Utilized as a method in searching the prisoner for possession of contrabands inside the prison cells and compounds. A. Frisking. B. Body search. C. Greyhound operations. D. Body frisk. Answer: C. Greyhound operations. It prescribes the means to be utilized in carrying out treatment programs for convicted criminal offenders. A. Admissions summary. B. Admissions procedure. C. Classification meeting. D. Case summary. Answer: A. Admissions summary. He opened the Borstal Prison, considered as one of the best reformatory institutions for young offenders. A. Sir Evelyn John Ruggles Bresee. B. Sir Walter Crofton. C. Zebulon Reed Brockway. D. Makanoki. Answer: A. Sir Evelyn John Ruggles Bresee. It is a method of punishment resorted to in extreme cases when lighter penalties are ineffectual. A. Bartolina. B. Solitary confinement. C. Close confinement. D. All of the above. Answer: B. Solitary confinement. It is a relationship in which one endeavors to help another understand and solve his problem of adjustment. A. Preventive discipline. B. Communication. C. Counseling. D. All of the above. Answer: C. Counseling. It is a continuing state of good order. A. Discipline. B. Moral. C. Communication. D. Loyalty. Answer: A. Discipline. People who are deemed instrumental in the reformation of prisoners due to their daily contact with the inmates. A. Chaplain. B. Warden. C. Psychologist. D. Prison guards. Answer: D. Prison guards. Minimum number of times in counting the inmates on a daily basis. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Answer: D. 5. It is regarded as the most important program that aids in the rehabilitation of prisoners. A. Recreational program. B. Religious program. C. Educational program. D. Employment of prisoners. Answer: C. Educational program.